SResults Slimming Spa Clay Thermogenic Body Mask promotes inch loss, firms and contours the skin, anti-cellulite and antioxidant formula. This product is currently priced at website. Here we invite you to follow the review from Fi Reviewer channel. Premium ingredients formulated for maximum inch loss. Removes toxins and impurities as it tightens and tones, promoting inch loss and a more youthful appearance. Trusted by salons and spas. As a leader in the spa clay products, we have been working with experts to improve and create a product that gets true results. Larger size jar, less cost. This jar provides enough clay for up to 2 full head-to-toe body wrap treatments or 20+ spot treatments, depending on the areas you wish to treat. Apply to any part of your body where you want to firm and reduce. Have a larger area than a stick-on applicator will cover? No worries. This clay will cover it. Use plastic wrap over the clay and treat those stubborn spots. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your personal opinion right below this video.